Hey Funder Hunters, this is Josh Gasteratos, COO over here at FunderHunt. I've got my headset on for effect. Take that off. Guys, you don't want to wait too long to secure funding for your business, because once you really need it, whether or not you can get it, it's a gamble. Do you want to gamble with your business? Make sure before that slow season hits, you secure the capital so that by the time you have a little bit of a lull in your revenue, you're not precluding yourself from funding. So that's one piece of advice for some business owners out there. You know, we had all too many times business owners will come in and, you know, in a predictable seasonal little bit of a lull, and because the revenue had already started dipping, they're not qualifying for what they might have last year if they were when they were a little more proactive. Anyway, this is.
You have a bunch of empty seats back there. Tell us about your day.
We got a bunch of empty seats back here.
Tell us what happened during your day.
Well, today was an
Tell us
interesting
about
day.
the bad times.
The bad times. Well, today was actually a pretty good day here at FunderHunt. Well, we're grateful for every day, and we enjoy doing what we do. But it ain't always sunshine and rainbows. Some trials and tribulations of the day. What do we deal with today? What do we have?
There was talk about the guy. Talk about the wife that and the husband didn't want to sign the COJ or the notary. Talk about that.
Yeah. So with some of these deals, especially the higher risk deals, you know, you're having to sign COJ, or a confession of judgment. Essentially, it's like a personal guarantee on the loan. Yes, it's the business loan, but as the business owner, a lot of times, again, for higher risk situations, typically, as a business owner with a high risk file, you may be asked to make a personal guarantee. And so we had this situation today. The wife was with it, no problem. The husband was like not trying to, you know, do the personal guarantee, and so that deal is not getting done until either he, you know, agrees to do it, or if perchance we can get, which is something I'm working on, I'm trying to get that, you know, his COJ waived. So just put her on a COJ, see if they'll do that. I don't know. Sometimes all you can do is ask. I try never to say no to my clients. If there's something that, you know, we might be able to help you get done, to get a deal done, or to make sure that we're getting you the best deal, I'll never tell you no. All I can do is go back and, you know, talk to the lenders.
But it also sounds like someone planning on defaulting. So how would you avoid a business owner? I mean, it's underwriting might seem like that, but how would you suggest a business owner to avoid that? Maybe mention that they're, you know, they're not 100% owner, and that there might be another owner. But besides that, how can you make sure that a business owner can avoid this if they were to choose to go into small business lending?
Well, that's a great question, Dav. And the truth is, really, all these files are case-by-case basis, you know, decisions.
You just gotta be ready.
You just gotta be ready, and you gotta be willing. And if you're a high-risk borrower and they want you to make a personal guarantee, sometimes you have to decide, how confident am I that I'm gonna be able to pay this back, you know, and or how willing am I to risk having a judgment on my name if I'm not available, you know, if I'm not able to, you know, get this money back to the lender. But you know, I will say that underwriting is usually pretty careful about how they structure their offers. You know, typically they're not going to make an offer unless they're relatively confident, comfortable with your ability to pay back. So if there's something that maybe the underwriters don't know, like, you know, volatility in your business, that might, you know, be cause for concern. You know, I see plenty of times, you know, business owners are more scared of not being paid back than the lenders are of not getting paid back, and it's inherent when, you know, you have these offers and the business owners are just not comfortable with taking on that commitment. You know, I mean, these deals, you know, can help you grow your business exponentially, but you know, you want to be reasonably confident you can make these payments smoothly. And so that's another takeaway from tonight's daily recap. Guys, gonna cut it a little short tonight. I think we've probably been going for a couple minutes. Love you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, FunderHunt.com. Do I always do this at the end of the videos? Have a great night. Thanks for tuning in.
Talk soon.